Welcome to our first activity. Here is the breaking news and most amazing news for our viewers. Yes, the James Webb Space Telescope has detected water vapor around a rocky X-planet that orbits stars located 26 light years away from Earth. Now astronomers are trying to determine whether that water vapor is an indicator of what would be the first known presence of an atmosphere around a rocky exoplanet. Small, cool and red dwarf stars are the most common stars in the universe, the exoplanets found in the habitable zone. The perfect distance from a star to allow the planet to be warm enough to host liquid water on its surface. Often orbit red dwarfs very closely since they are not as warm as the sun. Red dwarf stars lash out with ultraviolet and X radiation that has the potential to demolish fragile layers of gas, leading scientists to question whether a rocky planet orbiting them can maintain or regen atmosphere. Astronomers observed a hot rocky exoplanet called J486b using the Webb telescope. The planet is about 30% larger than Earth and has much stronger surface gravity than our planet. The planet is so close to its host star that J486b completes one orbit around it every 1.5 Earth days, and this proximity heats the planet to a surface temperature of 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Astronomers believe the planet is tidally locked, meaning that one side always faces the star while the other is a permanent night side, similar to how the moon orbits Earth. Although the scorching temperature make the planet too hot to be habitable, observation of J486b with Webb's near-infrared spectrograph revealed hints of water vapor. A study detailing the findings has been accepted for publication in the Astrophysical Journal. The presence of water vapor could suggest that J486b somehow has an atmosphere despite its heat and proximity to the star. While water vapor has previously been detected on gaseous exoplanets, scientists have yet to find an atmosphere around a rocky exoplanet. Doing it so would be a landmark event, since that would make it similar in a way to planets in our solar system like Earth and Mars, which are considered rocky. Water vapor in an atmosphere on a hot rocky planet would represent a major breakthrough for exoplanet science, but we must be careful and make sure that the star is not the culprit, said study co-author Kevin Stevenson, principal investigator on the Webb observing program at the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory in Laurel, Maryland, in a statement. The team observing J486b watched as the planet crossed in front of its star twice, and then they used multiply methods to analyze the data captured by the telescope's instrument. When planets pass in front of their stars, also known as a transit, the state can filter through a planet's atmosphere and highlight the chemical traces of different gases and elements. The results from the Webb data analysis pointed to water vapor being present around J486b. But astronomers are taking care with their interpretation of the findings because it's possible that the water vapor is connected to the star itself. We see a signal and it is almost certainly due to water, but we cannot tell yet if that water is part of planet's atmosphere, meaning the planet has an atmosphere, or if we are just seeing a water signature coming from the star, said lead study author Sarah Moran, postdoctoral research associate at the University of Arizona in Tucson, in a statement. Behind the report, First TV.